Creating an online order is the fastest way to get a case processed, especially if you already have signed and completed disclosure and authorization forms from the candidate. On the login screen, enter your email address and password. If you forgot your password, select the I forgot my password button for assistance. Finally, select Login. Select New Order from the dashboard. We'll start by selecting the order method, Online Order. All fields with a red demarcation on the left are required, although the more data, the better. If your account has one location, it will populate automatically. If you have several locations, select the appropriate location from the drop-down. Your name will automatically populate in the contact field. Next, we'll enter the candidate's first and last name. The middle name and suffix are optional, but highly recommended and can assist in preventing delays. Next, we'll select a package. This is a list of your pre-configured background packages for your location. Select the plus sign to reveal what products are included in each package. Select the question mark to learn more about a product. You can also create your own unique customized package by selecting Build Custom Background. This allows you to select a la carte products. For example, you can review all products available for each category, such as all criminal record searches, and select a specific search. You can also search for a particular product. In this example, we're going to select the Background and Professional license. Then, we'll select Continue to advance to the Disclosure option. On this screen, you'll answer the question regarding whether you already have the disclosure and authorization forms or not. These disclosure and authorization forms are required under the FCRA before requesting a background check. If you do, select Yes, I do, then select whether you want to upload, fax, or choose not to submit the forms. If you select No, I don't, be sure to choose the option for the candidate to be emailed. Then, select Continue. Next, we'll begin entering the candidate information starting with their address. Remember, red fields are required. Notice when the zip code is entered, the state and county are pre-populated. After completing the fields, select Continue. Now we'll continue entering the candidate information, starting with ID type. This defaults to the most common ID type, Social Security number. However, if a candidate does not have this, you can select Other Country ID or None Available. Date of birth is optional, but highly recommended, and will assist in preventing processing delays. The email and confirm email fields are required. After completing the fields, select Continue. For the purposes of this demo, we're going to leave date of birth blank to show how to resolve this error later. If a candidate has claimed any criminal records, a quick description of these can be entered here. Adding this information helps highlight items that should be reviewed during the search. Select Continue to advance to the next screen. If a candidate has any alias names, such as a maiden name, this can be entered here. To do this, select Add, enter the name, and select Save. More names can be added. Previously entered names can be edited or deleted here as well. After adding all appropriate names, select Continue. If a candidate has supplied any other addresses, this can be entered here, just like other names were added. These can be edited and deleted, just like with other names. After adding all addresses, select Continue. Notice that the area on the left, or breadcrumb trail, displays the status of what has been completed, what step you're on, and future steps to be completed. These are dynamic fields, meaning only the information relevant to the order will be requested. Now, we'll enter the education, including school information, type of education, and attendance information. Then, select Save. As a reminder, the more data you are able to provide, the better. Providing as much information as you have available will assist in preventing any delays in processing. Just like with other names and addresses, additional education can be entered, edited, and deleted. After adding all education, select Continue. Next, we'll enter the candidate's employment, including employer information and details. choose whether this is a current employee of this employer or not. If they are a current employee, select whether it is okay to contact the employer. Then, select Save. Just like with additional education, additional employment can be entered, edited, and deleted. After adding all employment, select Continue. Because this order includes a professional license, license information, including location, license number, and type, is required here. After entering in the information, select Save. Just like with employment, additional licenses or certifications can be entered, edited, and deleted. After adding all licenses, select Continue. Documentation that might be helpful to the processing of the background, such as an application, diploma, or W-2, can be uploaded here. This is optional. All supported file types are listed on this screen. Including a signed release can help prevent delays, especially if an education or employment verification is part of your order. To upload a file, simply select Choose File. Select the file from your computer and select Open. Once a file is uploaded, it is listed on screen. If you would like to upload another file, select Choose File again. To delete a file, select X. After adding all files, select Continue. This is the order submission screen. Be sure to review the information for accuracy before proceeding. If any information needs to be edited, select Edit for that section. In this example, we see that the date of birth is blank, and the system is providing a notification that it may be delayed. We'll select Edit to enter this information. After entering the date of birth, we'll select Continue to get back to the order submission screen. Once we confirm everything is accurate, we'll select Submit. Remember, in this example, we selected the electronic disclosure option, so we need to get that signed by the candidate before we can actually start the background check. This is the default email message requesting this information from the candidate. The default subject line and message content can be modified here. Select this box to receive a copy of the email. This can be helpful just in case the candidate doesn't receive the email. It ensures you have the email with the date and timestamp and can forward it if necessary. To send the email, select Send and Submit. Since we are awaiting the candidate to complete the disclosure and authorization forms, the status has now been updated to Awaiting Candidate. If we already had these forms and selected Yes on the disclosure screen, the previous email screen would be skipped, and the status would instead be In Process, since there is nothing awaiting the candidate to complete. From here, we can access the dashboard by selecting Dashboard or Return to Dashboard. The candidate and their status can be viewed at any time on the dashboard. The status will remain as Awaiting Disclosure until the candidate completes their disclosure and authorization forms. Once it is completed, the status will change to In Process, and you'll receive an email that the status has changed. The In Process status indicates that the candidate has completed their forms